Good afternoon, Mr. President. It's an honor to have you with us today.
Good afternoon. Thank you for the invitation. I'm glad to be here.
Let me start by asking, how has your experience been so far as President of Indonesia?
It has been both challenging and fulfilling. Serving the people is a great responsibility, and every day we work hard to make decisions that improve lives. I'm deeply committed to our nation's progress.
What would you say are the top priorities in your administration right now?
Our top priorities include strengthening food and energy security, improving education and healthcare, modernizing our military, and building strong infrastructure to connect our archipelago. These are crucial for our long-term resilience.
You mentioned food security. Could you elaborate on that?
Certainly, we can. We aim to reduce dependence on food imports by investing in local agriculture. We're supporting farmers with better tools, seeds, and training. We also want to develop strategic food reserves to ensure stability during emergencies.
Let's talk about youth and education. What role do you see for young Indonesians in the future of the country?
Young people are the future of Indonesia, of course. We are reforming education to focus more on critical thinking, digital skill, and entrepreneurship. I believe Indonesian youth are creative and resilient. They just need the right support to shine.
Switching gears a little, how do you see Indonesia's role on the global stage under your leadership?
We aim to be strong, independent voice for peace and cooperation. Indonesia will always stand for diplomacy and mutual respect. We also want to be a leader in Southeast Asia in areas like climate action, digital economy, and regional stability.
And regarding defense, a field you're personally familiar with, how is Indonesia improving in that area?
We are focusing on modernization and self-reliance. We are developing our defense industry to produce more locally. At the same time, we continue to train and equip our armed force with the latest technology while maintaining strong disciplines and patriotism.
Mr. President,
Nah?
the world is changing rapidly. Artificial intelligence, climate change, and global economic shift. How is Indonesia preparing for this challenge?
This is an important question. We are investing in research and technology, especially in fields like AI and green energy. Climate change is real, and Indonesia being an archipelago is vulnerable. We are robustly fostering, protecting our ocean, and working with global partners to emission without compromising economic growth.
They're also increasing attention on Indonesia's digital economy. What step is your administration taking to support it?
We are encouraging startups, improving intense infrastructure, and supporting digital literacy, especially in rural areas. We want young people to have access to the same opportunities as those in big cities. We see the digital economy as a key pillar of our future.
Yes. Corruption has long been a concern for the public. How is your administration addressing this issue?
We are strengthening institutions, improving transparency, and supporting the Corruption Eradication Commission, or aka KPK. I have made it clear there is no place for corruption in this government. Accountability must be enforced at all levels.
Mr. President, what has been the most memorable moment in your presidency so far?
Most memorable moment. It is meeting with farmers in rural areas and hearing their hopes and dreams. It always stay with me. It remind me why I do this job. It's about the people, not the politics.
And finally, if you could share a message with all Indonesians watching today, what would it be?
I want every Indonesian to know that we are working hard for you. Stay united, stay optimistic, and never stop believing in Indonesia. Together, we can build a nation we are all proud of.
Thank you very much, Mr. President. We wish.
Udah selesai, Mister.
Thank you very much, Mr. President. We wish you continued success.
Thank you. It was a pleasure.